A father was in court today for allegedly shocking his children with a cattle prod. He was arrested, but he's actually been out on bond for a year.
For a whole year. And a year later, there's not even been a guilty or not guilty plea in this case. Not moving very quickly here. Today, the accused asked for visitation rights. The judge denied him. Our Harry Boomer outside of the Erie County Court of Common Pleas with what else happened in court. Harry.
Prohibit corporal punishment, but it does, however, draw the line at excessive use of force in disciplining a child. They call it child abuse and illegal. A man here in Erie County was in court today facing charges that could punish him with nearly 20 years behind bars.
It is the state's position, based upon the multiple times in which each of these offenses occurred, that it would be able to be sentenced consecutively.
This is Robert Borez. He was arrested on March 13th last year after a tip from Children's Services led Erie County Sheriff's detectives to his home in the area of Route 113 in Florence Township. He's in court for allegedly punishing his 3 children by using a cattle prod on them. He's facing 3 counts of domestic violence and 3 counts of child endangering. The prosecution is offering him a plea deal of just 3 years.
The state's offer is predicated upon conversations with the representative victims. They are young people who are the alleged victims in this case, so they are amenable to this resolution to spare them having to come to court and go through that process.
Their father seems reluctant to take the deal that would spare his children the trauma of going through a trial. This is his attorney.
My discussion so far is that it's the defendant's intent to go to trial in this matter. But I am meeting with him after this.
Torres decides to go to trial. The jury could find him guilty and sentence him up to 18 years and $80,000 in fines. If he takes the deal offered by the state to spare his children an emotional trial, well, he would only get 3 years behind bars. Outside the Erie County Courthouse, I'm Harry Boomer, 19 News.
Now you're